So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to convert SLP to pound. So first of all, you will have to come on Binance.com and log into your account, and after that choose wallet and choose fiat and spot. So guys, after coming on this window, you'll look for the search bar and now type SLP. So guys, choose this convert option. So guys, after coming on this window, you will see this option. Click on it and search GBP and choose this pound sterling option. And now you have to put the amount you want to convert. Let's say I want to convert 480, and now you have to click on preview conversion. And now guys, it will show you the amount SLP holds into pounds. So if you have the sufficient funds, then you can convert your SLP into pounds by clicking on this button. So guys, if you find this video helpful to yourself, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.